Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am super excited to share with you all my AdMob earnings journey over the past few months. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Now let's dive into my AdMob adventure. A few months ago, I stumbled upon the AdMob platform and after some research, I decided to give it a shot. I had heard stories of people making decent passive income with mobile apps, and I thought, why not try it myself? As you can see from the screen, these are my actual AdMob earnings from the past few months. Now I must admit it's not a get rich quick scheme, but some efforts and strategies it can be a lucrative income stream. I designed a simple yet engaging app, keeping user experience in mind. Remember, the better the app performs, the more user will it attract, leading to higher ad impressions. Placing ads strategically within the app is very crucial. I experimented with different ad formats and positions to find what worked best for my users without being intrusive. While AdMove was my primary source of income, I also exported other monetization methods like in-app purchases and premium versions to diversify income stream. I use social media and other platforms to promote my app, which help in gaining initial traction and downloads. So after putting in consistent effort, I started to see the results. My earning gradually increased as the app gained popularity. It's essential to remember that the journey might have some ups and downs, but with dedication and persistence, it can be incredibly rewarding. To sum it up, my experience with AdMob has been great so far. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's definitely a legitimate way to earn passive income. If you are interested in app development and have the determination to succeed, AdMob might be an excellent revenue for you. If you have any questions about AdMob, app development or any other related topic, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and share it with your friends who might be interested in app monetization. Until next time, happy app developing. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Stay awesome and goodbye.